Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. This is Jet and today I'll show you how to create digital binder rings or coils in Adobe Indesign. I have created them using PowerPoint and Keynote 2 and I have the tutorial links in the description. Please check them out after watching this. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post videos like this. And to my current subscribers, I'm grateful as always for your continued support. Alright, let's get into InDesign. Alright, so let's begin. So in your Tools panel, go ahead and go to this tool and click on Ellipse tool. Now hold on Shift and Option or Alt key on your keyboard to create a perfect shape. So now all you have to do is go over here and change the color to whatever color you want. So for example, I want it red. And then we have to duplicate this one. So hold Option or Alt key and just drag it like that. So just make sure that they're aligned perfectly. So click on Align and just do this. Okay. So you can also change the color above here or go to your swatches. And you will see all your colors. If you don't have swatches here, just go to Window and Color, then click on Swatches and it will show up. So next thing to do is highlight these two circles and hold again the Alt key and then we change this to black and hold the Shift and Option key once more while resizing this circle. So it's up to you how big or small the circle will be. And then just put it in the middle like this. So all you have to do is we have to create the bar in the center or the coil in the center. So go ahead and click rectangle tool and make sure that it's rounded and just eyeball it right like so. Just make sure it's centered and should be the same color as your outer rings. So there you go. Now that you have that, or it's up to you how big or small your binder coil or ring should be. So all that's left is the shadow for this. It's up to you if you want to put shadow or not, but if you want, all you have to do is click on that, the outer ring or the red colored ring, and then right click and go ahead and click Effects and then drop shadow. Now the drop shadow here is off, so you're gonna have to change that. Put it on there in the inside and maybe the distance 0.3 would be okay. There you go. And we'll change the opacity, make it lighter, put it at 60, should be okay. Alright, then go ahead and do the other side or the other ring, and this time you have to change the angle to 180 and then the opacity to 60. And there you have it. Okay, so all that's left is group this one and hold the Option or Alt key while copying it. Just drag it like so and like this. Okay, so all you have to do is highlight this one and align it. So see how it looks like. So I can also group that. See, I already have like something like a paper over here. And so that's how it will look, and you can always make it smaller, and you can even do a, let's ungroup that one, and I want this and this to go over here, this 3 to be over there. You can also do like that. Alright, so there you have it. If you want to have like a gradient color, all you have to do is create a gradient swatch. For example, let's try this one. I'll just ungroup this first. And all you have to do is change the color to a gradient. So I already have in my swatches, I already have all these gradients over here. So I can change this to like that, or to a bronze, or to gold. This or whatever color that you like. So in order to create a gradient, I've already discussed this in my other tutorials. I have the link in my description. Just go ahead and watch the video for that. And that's it. This is how you create your digital binder rings or coils using InDesign. I hope you've learned something and enjoyed watching this tutorial. And don't forget to watch my other videos on how to create these digital rings using PowerPoint and Keynote, just in case you don't have InDesign. Thanks again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I truly appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!